Hello. Hello and welcome from librprogramming.org C tutorials. This is Shiv Shankar Dyal and I welcome you again to this video. Please note that I am recording this in daytime, so there may be little bit of background noise. People talk, vehicles come and go, dogs may bark. So please bear with that. I have tried to keep noise as little as possible. So as promised, let's deal with implementation of strcat. Now first we should see what is strcat. Now it says strcat function appends a copy of the string pointed to by s2, which is here, and I'm reading here, including the terminating null character to the end of string pointed to by s1. The initial character of s2 overwrites the null character at the end of s1. If copying takes place between objects that overlap, the behavior is undefined. The strcat function returns the value of s1. Okay, good. So let's see what man page says about strcat. Man page also says the same thing, except one more thing. If destination is not large enough, program behavior is unpredictable. Buffer overruns are a favorite avenue for attacking secure programs. Therefore, ideally, you should never use strcat in real world programming. You should prefer strncat. And this is the older signature of strcat. So let's come back and try to see how we have done it. So similar to strcpy, we have the signature and we have the body. Ideally, this signature would go in a header file like string.h, while this function will be part of some file which will be finally embedded into something like libc.so. We have our main function which will drive this program. We call strcat. The original string is the destination, and to be appended with the space, leading space is the source. So s1 becomes destination, s2 is source. Now the trick here is you start I, which is the index of destination, from 8, because 8 is 9. Arrays being 0 indexed, I can't call strlen because strlen is in string.h. So if I include string.h, then strcat will have duplicate declaration and definition. Okay, so 8 characters are here and we want to write starting from 9th, so that we should point to 8 because it is 0 based. So I point it to 8 and then it will continue till sources end of string is not reached, and I copy, and then at the end I just null terminate this destination, as simple as that. So you might have seen in this console that how this program's output looks like. So here is the output, a simple and sweet, right? So here I will terminate this video, and in the next part we will learn about the implementation of strncat, and one implementation is already given in the main man page, like strncpy implementation. So this is the simple implementation which should serve fine for our next example of strncat. I'll explain that in my next video. If you have liked this video, you can hit like, and if you dislike this video, you can hit dislike. And these videos will again be embedded here. I'll embed the video here, and later on this will also contain a description from compiler. For example, if you read my what you call book which I have written, a lot of it is copy from specification, but it's not only copy of uh, specification, because the first portion is copy from specification and the second is from compiler, that is the man page, and the third is example. So you get everything at one place. For example, if we go to complex.h and let's look at cacos functions. So the first portion which you see is, this is your specification part, and the second portion which you see is compiler part from here. So, and then I gave the example. Now, one more thing will be added for all these is the video. So here is the example, and then the video will be shown along with the function. So that's it for now. I hope